morning, campers. Welcome back. Today is a review day. So I know we have been practicing our multiplication facts and we've been practicing our factors, and hopefully by now you have downloaded Timetables with Friends and you have been challenging yourself and playing that every day so you can become a perfectionist at your multiples. It is possible to become a perfectionist at your multiples. So let's get right to our multiplication review, and we're going to review how to multiply single digit numbers by two-digit numbers, two-digit numbers by three-digit numbers, and we're going to try and even get to 4 and 5 digit numbers because it is possible. All right. Okay, and the last time we did multiplication, I already went through 2 by 1, 2 by 2 digit numbers. So I'm gonna quickly go through those because we want you to get used to multiplying digits more than 3 and 4 and 5 digits at a time. So I'm gonna quickly review one of each. I'm gonna do a 2 by 1. This is a 2 by 1 digit. We're gonna do a 2 by 2 digit. And then we're gonna do a 3 by 2 digit. Then we're going to advance ourselves because it's time for us to take it up a notch and get to our thousands and our 10,000s and our 100,000s. All right, so 2 digit by 1 digit. 1 times 7, you start with your ones place. 7 to 1, 7 times 1 is 7, and then 7 and 2. So I'm just gonna draw the arrows here so you know what we're doing. Hopefully, by the time we get to our 3 digit by 2 digit, you should be a mathematician on what is being multiplied first, second, and third. And 2 times 7 is 14. Remember, you need to practice your multiples and your factors, your timetables daily, so when we're multiplying, everything becomes fluent for you. 4 times 5, or 5 times 4, which is 20, carry the 2. We go here first, and then we have 5 times 2, which is 10 plus 2, which is 12. So we're done with our ones place, so don't forget to cross it out. Cross it out. Cross out that 2 so you don't use it again, and place your 0 in your ones place. Now we're gonna move on to our tens place. 3 by 4, 3 times 4, which is 12, 2 carry the 1, and 3 times 2, which is 6 plus 1, is 7. And then remember, we're gonna take those two numbers and add them together. 0 and 0, 2 and 2 is 4, 1 and 7 is 8. Okay, so that is 840. And our last quick review before we dive deep into our 3 digits is 149 times 17. Okay, 7 times 9 is 63. 3 carry the 6. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. 4 carry the 3. 7 times 1 plus 3 is 10. So we're done with our ones place, so don't forget we're going to cross it out. Cross out our numbers that we've carried and put a 0 in our ones place so we can shift to the tens place. So if you notice, I didn't put the arrows because hopefully by now you know what to multiply first, second, and third. Now, 1 times 9, which is 9. 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 1 is 1. Anything times 1 is a number itself. We have 3 and 0 is 3. 4 plus 9 is 13. Carry the 1. 1, 0, and 4 is 5, and 1 and 1 is 2, with our comma right there for our thousands. So now we are going to shift to our big numbers, okay? 3 and 4 digit numbers. Take it up a notch. So we have 42,610 times, and we're gonna do 2 digits first. 12. 42,610 times 12. So remember, today's goal is to see if you have become a fluent mathematician at your timetables. If you know your timetables, you can do any type of multiplication problem, whether it's 2, 3, 4, 10 digits, you should be able to do it just like that. Okay, so 2 times 0, which is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2, carry the 1. If you notice, I'm making sure I write my answers in the correct place value. Pay close attention to that. Now I'm at 2 times 4. How do I know that? Because this is the place value that's missing. 2 times 4 is 4. I'm sorry, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 2 times 4, which is 8. Okay, we're not done. That was just the ones place. So we are going to cross it out, and put our 0 in our ones place. All right, next, we're gonna do the tens place. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 4 is 4. That was pretty simple, because anything times 1 is the number itself. And now we're going to add these numbers here. Carry the 1, carry the 1, and 5. So 3 digits over, and then we have our comma. See, that's a big number, 511,320. Okay? And now we're gonna get to the big numbers. And this is gonna be our last example. I want you to make an attempt and try and do this before I complete it. So I'm gonna slow it down a notch, and hopefully you're working at the same time that I'm working. And you complete this one before me. We're gonna do 3 digits. Let's see, pick any number. 238. Let's do 238. Okay. All right. 8 times 4 is 32. I'm gonna write a little bit smaller. Let me switch the color. I made a mistake there. So let's make this a 2. Carry the 3. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 plus 3, 59. 59. Carry the 5. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 5 is 21. Carry the 2. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 2 is 26. 26. Carry the 2. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 2. That is 42. And since I'm done, I bring all of that down. Now I'm done with my ones place. So I'm going to cross it out, cross all of these out, and put my 0 in the ones place, because I'm moving on to the tens place. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1, 22. Carry the 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2, 8. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15, and I'm gonna bring all of that down because I'm done multiplying. Now I'm done with my tens place. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit more advanced. We got a whole nother digit. Let's cross all of that out, and we're gonna put 2 zeros. Okay, this is our last place value hundreds. 4 times 2, 8. 2 times 7, 14. So 4, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. You gotta be careful when you get to these 3 digits. You wanna make sure you're in the right place. So we did 2 times 4, we did 2 times 7, we did 2 times 2 plus 1. Now we're at 2 times 3, which is 6, and 2 times 5, which is 10. We're gonna take all of these numbers and add them. This is gonna be a big number, but we did it. 2 plus 0 and 0 is 2. 9, 2 and 0, 11, carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 8 is 12. 2, carry the 1. 1 and 6 is 7. 7 and 8 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 9, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 7, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 and 0 is 2. And nothing and 1 is 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. This is a big number. 12,679,212. It'll be nice if this number was some dollars. All right, believe in yourself, and I'll see you next time.